As everybody, as anybody ever told you that part of the journey is the hand. The hand is part of the journey. Everything has the start and everything has the hand. Just like all the dictators have the rise and the fall. How you follow, how you hand your regime is part of the journey. People will write your story until how you fell like Morbid Gaddafi. You were drugged on the street, shot with bullets, became like a piece of shit after living all this nice life. That's why the hand is part of the journey. What does this one tell us? We need to prepare for the hand. We need to make sure that as we go along upward, we should consider that we don't leave bad records behind that will make our hand be celebrated by some people, or which may make our hand be wished for and forced by many people. As a leader, as a businessman, as a citizen in some country somewhere, we must know that the hand is part of the journey. So we should not only think of how to get the money, for example, but we should think of also at the time when we are handing our life. Did you sell guns to Karamoja to kill the Acholi people? For you to become rich? Did you rob people in New York for you to become rich? Because if you do this, you might have succeeded, but as I said earlier on, that every success is a haunt. It will haunt you negatively. This time around, the success will not come for the record to be broken, but it will come for justice to be paid to the people you did wrong to them. It will come for you. It will come for your sugar-coated reputation and uncoat or uncover your bad deeds. And you will look better. All your records will be tarnished. But you have tarnished it yourself. And they are just uncovering it. So we must remember the hand is part of the journey.